The heavy-duty pickup truck segment has always been the battleground of truck makers with the goal of creating the most capable pickup truck out there. And Ford is the most successful company in the segment with a whole Super Duty lineup of trucks tailored specifically for the needs of the customer. For the 2023 model year, a new model was introduced that brought a ton of changes. For 2024, we could expect only small refinements. But still, there will be a lot of new upgrades, so stay with us while we cover the 8 reasons why you should wait for the 2024 Ford Super Duty. Reason number 8, ton of different configurations. One of the pros of the Ford Super Duty is definitely the configurability. In this lineup, there's a truck for everyone's needs. All of them are heavy duty, but all of them are tailored for different needs. The entry-level model is the F250. The F250, although an entry-level model in the Super Duty lineup, greatly outmatches the F150. There are also different cab options for the F250. You can get a 2-door regular cab, a super cab, which is an extended cab, and you can get a bigger 4-door crew cab. There are also 3 bed options. The base is the 5.5-foot bed, then you have the 7.3-foot bed, and the longest 8.5-foot bed. The same story goes for the F350. You have the same cab options, but there are 2 bed options, a 6.75-foot bed and an 8-foot box bed. What's interesting about the F350 is that you can spec one with a dually setup in the rear. A dually setup has a stronger rear axle, beefier leaf springs, and with 2 pairs of wheels, making this truck a very capable towing machine compared to the standard model. And the top of the line in the Super Duty segment is the F450 model. This is the most capable model that you can get for your money, but also the most expensive one. This model comes with a dually setup as standard, and also, you can spec this model with a chassis cab. So this means that you get a bare-bone truck with a cab, making it perfect for customization. Overall, the Super Duty is a very customizable truck that can be optioned out in any way you like. Reason number 7, powerful powertrains. The thing that is a highlight of the 2024 Ford Super Duty is the engine options. This model will have a variety of different engines available for the customer to get. In total, there are 4 different engines available with this model, 2 gas-powered engines and 2 diesel options. The entry-level engine is the 6.8-liter V8. This is a gas-powered engine that produces 400 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque, which is more than enough for most people's needs. This engine uses a cast-iron block with aluminum cylinder heads. It implements an old-school push-rod design and can run on 87-octane gas. But on top of the base engine, you have the optional 7.3-liter V8, also known as the Godzilla. The Godzilla is an engine that shares the design with the 6.8-liter, but with a larger displacement, allowing this engine to make a lot more power. The 7.3-liter engine makes 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque. But there's more. There are 2 diesel engines available. In fact, this is a single engine but comes in 2 variations. We're talking about the 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8. The base engine makes 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque, while the high-output version of the same engine makes 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. We can honestly say that with this engine, you can move a whole mountain. It is the most powerful engine in the whole segment. There are 2 transmissions used in the Super Duty lineup. Both of them are 10-speed automatics, but they come with different gear ratios. In other words, they are configured differently for their specific application. Reason number 6, unmatched towing and payload capacity. Every truck should perform well when it comes to its truck duties, and we can honestly say that the Super Duty is one excellent performer both in towing as well as in terms of payload. The ratings really depend on the type of model that you go for. The F250 is the least capable, while the F350 is somewhere in the middle, and the most powerful model is the F450. So let's start with the F250 and see how this model performs. In terms of towing, the F250 has a conventional tow rating of 22,000 pounds when equipped with the 6.7 Power Stroke. In contrast, the 6.8-liter and 7.3-liter engines could only tow 14,800 pounds and 17,200 pounds, respectively. The payload capacity is the strongest on the 6.8-liter gasoline engine. A truck with this engine can take a payload of 4,268 pounds, while the 7.3-liter V8 can take a payload of 4,164 pounds. The poorest performer is the 6.7-liter high-output diesel. This engine can only take a payload of 3,903 pounds. The F350, on the other hand, hand, is a better performer when it comes to its truck duties. This model is a lot more capable. When it comes to conventional towing, the 6.8-liter engine can tow up to 18,199 pounds, the 7.3-liter engine can tow up to 19,500 pounds, and the 6.7-liter Power Stroke can tow up to 23,200 or up to 25,000 pounds if you get the high-output version. With the gooseneck, these numbers increase up to 38,000 pounds for the high-output 6.7-liter Power Stroke engine. In terms of payload, the F350 can take a payload maximum of 8,000 pounds with the 6.7-liter engine, which is a massive improvement over the F250 model, while the F450 model is by far the most capable and can tow a maximum of 24,200 pounds when it comes to conventional towing and 40,000 pounds when it comes to gooseneck trailers. In terms of payload, the regular Super Duty can take a payload of up to 8,000 pounds. Reason number 5. Good fuel economy. Fuel economy was an area that was greatly avoided until recently when buying a truck of this size, but with gas prices going up non-stop, things have changed and customers want to get something more efficient for their money. So, how does the Ford Super Duty perform? Well, rather poorly, but this is expected. According to owners who drive the gas-powered engines, real-world numbers go between 8 and 14 mpg combined, while the 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel is far more efficient and these engines could achieve between 12 and 18 mpg combined. We couldn't find official numbers for the 2024 model, unfortunately, but knowing how these numbers are hyped up, we believe the drivers who experience this firsthand. These numbers will stay for the 2024 model year since these engines will come to the 2024 model as well. One news for the 2024 model is the introduction of a flex fuel model for the 6.8-liter V8 engine. This will bring the MPG down even more because E85 burns far quicker than regular gas. But if you're looking for a fuel-efficient engine, we would recommend going for the 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel. This engine will save you a ton of money on gas. Reason number 4. Many different trim levels. Trim levels are probably the thing you're most interested in when you have so much money to spend on a pickup truck. That's why Ford brings a ton of different trims for everyone's taste. The base trim level is the XL. The XL, for those who don't know, is the cheapest trim out there. It doesn't have any luxury features and only comes with the basics. Above the XL, you have the XLT, and frankly, the XLT is probably the sweet spot in this lineup if you want more and don't want to break the bank. Above the XLT is the Lariat, and the Lariat is a big step above the 2 base trim levels. With this trim, you have more features and more luxury, so if you have money, go for a Lariat. Then you have the King Ranch. With this trim, we're entering the luxury segment. This model is miles ahead of the other trims, and also the third most expensive behind the Platinum and Limited. The Limited is basically a Rolls-Royce when it comes to pickups. This model starts close to $100,000. Reason number 3. Color options. New colors will also come with the 2024 model. There are 2 new colors. These include the darkened bronze metallic and the glacier gray metallic tri-coat. These colors will replace the azure gray metallic tri-coat and the stone gray colors. Reason number 2. Features. The 2024 Ford Super Duty will also come with enhanced features. The XLT models that come with a premium package, as well as the King Ranch, Platinum, Lariat, and Limited, will come with 1-year navigation services for free. Also, the XL and XLT will offer optional onboard scales with Smart Hitch feature. The XL and XLT will also include a programmable engine idle shutdown. In addition to this, there will also be 2 new packages: the Heavy Service Package for Pickup Box Delete and the Pickup Box Delete. Also, the 360 camera package without the center high-mounted stop lamp has been discontinued for 2024. Reason number 1. Pricing. The pricing of the Super Duty starts as low as $44,970. This is the plain F250 XL model with a 2-door regular cab. The F250 XLT regular cab starts at $51,100, while the F250 Lariat starts at $62,410. The Lariat is probably the best bang for buck in this lineup. The King Ranch is far more expensive, starting at $76,975. The Platinum starting at $77,865, and the Limited starting at a whopping $97,095. Thanks for watching and see you next time.